This is the Animation Workshop. Traditionally, the students here create animation films for their bachelor projects. But this time, they are doing something new. They are making a point-and-click adventure game for the iPad. We are a group of 4 Medialogy students from Aalborg University. Our task was to develop a camera tool for this project. The game is built using the Unity game engine and has a big focus on visuals. It takes inspiration from other games in which artists have the freedom to creatively frame the scene by hand, for example, by focusing on something in the environment. When the project started, it was important for us to get a good understanding of how the artists work, so we could tailor the tool for their needs and requirements. That's why we used methods from participatory design. This meant that the artists became co-creators of the camera tool. Instead of just designing blindly, we iterated on the tool together with the artists from the animation workshop. We found out that they are very comfortable with Autodesk Maya. They are also accustomed to using keyframes when animating. They use this extensively when they make films. We based the design of the camera tool on this concept. We do this by introducing what we call framings. In the game, the player walks on a special path. This is indicated by the red cubes. Along this path, the artists can place influence points. Each point has an associated camera with its own settings, such as position, rotation, and field of view. When the player walks, the camera interpolates between these framings. This means that with only a few framings, the artists can create smooth camera motions. The artists can set the tone and mood of the scene by simply changing the framing. One way to create framing is to use the Be the Camera feature. With this feature, the artists control the camera as if they were playing a first-person computer game. They can freely move the camera around with the WASD keys and the mouse. The artists can tweak the interpolation using the graph editor. The tool provides quick ways to preview the framings. To evaluate the tool, we asked the artists to complete some simple tasks. This was to ensure that their mental models matched the design of the camera tool. After they completed the tasks, we asked them to frame a small scene containing a path on a staircase. In a post-questionnaire, all of the artists answered that they felt empowered, efficient, and effective using the camera tool. This also shows when you look at the framings they created. Even though the setup is quite simple, the artists managed to create quite differently looking framings. With more time for fine-tuning, surely they could make some really cool framings for the game.